Hi, I'm Teacher Minette from ChrisAmericas.com. If you are uncertain about the best ESL dictionary for your needs, you are at the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 best English language dictionaries for English language learners, starting by looking at the importance of a language dictionary.
Before we take a look at the 5 best ESL dictionaries for English language learners, hop onto my website. When you visit the website, you have loads of benefits, like learning a new word every day. You can also use each day's word in a sentence of your own. When you use the day's word to make a sentence of your own, you will get personalized feedback on every sentence. So why wait to visit the website to start posting your sentences every day? You can enhance your English one word, one day at a time. Without further ado, let's get started with today's session. What is vocabulary building? Vocabulary building is, in fact, a key component of learning English. Having a good dictionary is the first step in learning new words, since every time you encounter a word that is unfamiliar to you, you must look up its definition. This is when a good dictionary can be very helpful. English language learning dictionaries are unique as they are made to be simple to understand. They might also have additional knowledge to aid you in using the terms properly. Think of a dictionary as being your best friend and teacher who is always there to help you. As it is quite difficult to learn English without a good dictionary, anyone learning English as a second language should have access to an ESL dictionary. You'll discover that there are loads of options when deciding which ESL dictionary to purchase. Regardless of your level, this video will assist you in determining which qualities are important to you as an English learner. To make sure that an ESL dictionary will be suitable to your needs, you need to consider the following features when choosing an ESL dictionary. The first feature to consider is clear definitions. The second feature that you need to consider when choosing an ESL dictionary is to make sure that the dictionary shows you a few examples. The third feature to consider when choosing an ESL dictionary is to ensure that the dictionary has grammar manuals. The fourth feature that you need to consider when choosing an ESL dictionary is graphics. Feature 5 to consider when choosing an ESL dictionary is guided conversations. And the last feature to consider when choosing an ESL dictionary is comparisons of British and American English. Now that we know what to look for in a dictionary, let's get started with our list of the best dictionaries for English language learners. The first dictionary that we are looking at is a dictionary for beginners. Anyone just starting to study English would benefit greatly from using the HarperCollins Beginner's ESL Dictionary. Included in this dictionary, more than 40,000 words, phrases, and definitions, a 200-page grammar guidebook with 25,000 examples. All through, there are full-page drawings, explanations of the differences between British and American English. This dictionary is excellent for beginners who want to master the basics. The second dictionary that we are going to look at is Merriam-Webster's Advanced Learner's English Dictionary. This is a huge, detailed English dictionary that is intended for advanced students and is a helpful tool for English language teachers. The name should not intimidate you because although Merriam Advanced Webster's Learner's English Dictionary is more user-friendly than the essential version, it is also more comprehensive. Included in this dictionary features more than 100,000 words and more than 22,000 idioms, 160,000 examples of sentences to help explain usage and meaning. one of the more updated dictionaries available for ESL students. This dictionary offers detailed and updated coverage of essential English vocabulary. This online ESL dictionary is highly recommended for English learners in high school and older. Moving to the third dictionary on the list, we look at Oxford ESL Dictionaries. For ESL students, Oxford University Press offers 3 different levels of dictionaries. The first level, elementary to low intermediate, Oxford Basic American Dictionary for learners of English. The second level, intermediate, Oxford American Dictionary for learners of English. And the third level, advanced, Oxford Advanced American Dictionary for learners of English. Included in all of these dictionaries includes illustrations, a CD-ROM with access to additional dictionaries and audio samples. These Oxford Dictionaries distinctions are seen in the number of words they cover and the level of definition complexity. Let's look at what each dictionary has to offer. The elementary to low intermediate level dictionary includes 27,000 words, 2,000 defining words, 500 color illustrations, note boxes with extra help. The intermediate or standard level dictionary includes 42,000 words and 35,000 examples, 3,000 defining words, 650 color illustrations, and 45 reference pages. The advanced level dictionary includes 145,000 words and 85,000 examples, 3,000 defining words, 1,000 plus color illustrations, plus 64 reference pages. Any of these Oxford ESL dictionaries for English language learners should work for you, no matter what level you're at. The benefit of this series is that you will be comfortable with the layout of your new dictionary when you're ready to advance a level. The fourth dictionary on our list is the Longman Dictionary of American English. Although it isn't a Longman ESL dictionary exactly, the Longman Dictionary of American English is indeed a fantastic option for English learners. You might ask why, and this is because the pool of terms it uses for definitions is small, with only 2,000 frequent words, this being done on purpose. You shouldn't have to look up numerous extra words only to understand the initial one, with such simple to understand definitions, which makes this an excellent choice for a dictionary. This dictionary is an invaluable resource for both adults and kids who want to use a dictionary to learn English, according to one ESL teacher. Included in the 5th edition of this dictionary, 109,000 terms, definitions, and expressions, 59,000 example phrases to further illustrate proper word usage, a built-in word list that allows you to instantly increase your vocabulary boxes that display word combinations frequently used together, access to a variety of other resources such as Pronunciation Checker and their online dictionary. For ESL students who already have a basic command of the language, this really is a thorough dictionary. Moving to the last dictionary on our list, the dictionary that we will be looking at is an ESL Picture Dictionary. An ESL Picture Dictionary can be a quick approach for people who are learning the language to pick up basic words. Images can be useful for people of all ages. The Oxford Picture Dictionary is beautifully illustrated, contains more than 4,000 words and phrases, and has a more sophisticated style geared toward adults. What makes this a good dictionary for language learners? It contains modern parts on digital literacy and career planning, in addition to a wide range of time-tested subjects. It was last revised in 2016. This dictionary which offers a solid basis in common English vocabulary, is highly regarded by both English language learners and ESL teachers. It's also offered in a variety of languages as a bilingual dictionary. After looking at all of these dictionaries, you might still have the question, which dictionary is best for learning English? The answer to your question is simple. This selection of English learning dictionaries should help you reduce your possibilities, but it depends on your level and the layout you prefer.
If you want to use English to take your career to the next level, click on the link below this video and join our Level Up training. And if you want speaking practice with native teachers all day, every day, watch our free 16-minute lesson about how you can understand what I'm saying now, but still can't speak. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you press the like, press subscribe, and leave a comment below. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye!